Welcome to our video on how to get more friends. Having a strong social network is essential for our well-being and happiness. Friends can provide support, encouragement, and even opportunities for growth and development. They can also bring joy and laughter into our lives. However, making new friends can be difficult, especially as we get older or if we find ourselves in a new environment. In this video, we're going to go over some tips and strategies to help you build new friendships and strengthen existing ones. 1. Get out there. One of the easiest ways to meet new people is to put yourself in social situations. Joining a club or organization that interests you, or attending social events like parties or networking gatherings, is a great way to meet new people. Make sure to put yourself in situations where you are around people who share your interests and hobbies. 2. Volunteer. Volunteering not only helps others, but it also gives you the chance to meet like-minded individuals who share your values and interests. This is a great way to build friendships with people who share your passion for a particular cause or community. 3. Be open to new experiences. Saying yes to new experiences can lead to unexpected friendships. Whether it's trying a new hobby or taking a class, stepping out of your comfort zone can open you up to new people and possibilities. This is also a great way to discover new interests and passions that you may not have known you had. 4. Show interest in others. When meeting new people, make an effort to learn about them and their interests. Ask questions and actively listen to their responses. People appreciate when others are genuinely interested in them, and this will help you build a deeper connection with them. 5. Be yourself. It's important to be true to yourself when making friends. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress others. Authenticity is attractive and people will appreciate getting to know the real you. Being yourself will also help you find friends who are truly compatible with you. 6. Follow up. Once you've met someone new, make sure to follow up with them. Send a message or invite them to hang out. Consistently following up helps to build friendships over time. It's also a great way to keep in touch with people you've met in passing, like at a party or networking event. 7. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is one of the most important things in building a strong friendship. Show interest in what others have to say, ask questions, and give them your full attention. A good listener is someone who is dependable and easy to talk to, and this will help you build trust and a deeper connection with your friends. 8. Be persistent. Making friends takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't make a new best friend right away. Keep putting yourself out there and the right people will come into your life. Building friendships takes time, so don't be afraid to put in the effort and be patient. In conclusion, having a strong social network is essential for our well-being and happiness, and making new friends is an ongoing process. By getting out there, volunteering, being open to new experiences, showing interest in others, being yourself, following up, being a good listener, and being persistent, you can greatly increase your chances of building new and meaningful friendships. Remember, making friends is not just about finding people who are similar to you, but also about learning and growing from people who are different from you. So go out there, be open, and be yourself, and you'll be well on your way to building the journey of building a strong and supportive social network. Thanks for watching our video on how to get more friends. We hope that these tips and strategies will help you build new friendships and strengthen existing ones. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, but it's worth it for the positive impact it can have on your life. Don't hesitate to put these tips into practice and take the first step towards building lasting friendships. If you have any other suggestions or tips on how to make friends, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to building new friendships.